Imagine a vehicle so futuristic that in 1939, people thought it had rolled straight out of a science fiction movie. A towering, streamlined giant with a cockpit perched high above the road. Was it a bus, a truck, or something entirely new? This wasn't just transportation. It was a rolling vision of tomorrow. Meet the GM Futurliner, a machine designed not to carry passengers, but to carry ideas. Why did General Motors build such an extraordinary vehicle, and how did it end up shaping the future of mobility? The Futurliner wasn't built to compete with ordinary cars. It was created to inspire. Developed for General Motors' Parade of Progress, the vehicle embodied a bold vision of technological optimism. At a time when most vehicles were utilitarian and modest, the Futurliner stood tall, dramatic, and theatrical. Its purpose was to serve as a mobile exhibition stage, showcasing innovations in science, engineering, and industry. Designers embraced a world of tomorrow philosophy, blending Art Deco styling with futuristic imagination. Unlike typical buses or trucks, the Futurliner was meant to stop, transform, and engage audiences, essentially becoming a traveling museum that brought the future directly to the public. Underneath its dramatic exterior, the Futurliner relied on a robust and highly customized engineering platform. Built on a modified heavy-duty truck chassis, it required significant structural reinforcement to support its massive body and integrated stage components. Engineers at General Motors designed the vehicle with modularity in mind, allowing panels to open and convert into display areas. The elevated driver cockpit wasn't just stylistic, it improved visibility over crowds during exhibitions. The frame had to balance rigidity with adaptability, ensuring stability when stationary and durability during long-distance tours. This combination of strength and flexibility made the Futurliner less like a traditional vehicle and more like a mobile architectural structure. The Futurliner featured a rear-engine layout, an unusual choice for its time, which helped optimize interior space for exhibitions. Its massive size required careful weight distribution, especially with heavy equipment on board. The suspension system was engineered to handle uneven roads while protecting delicate display materials. One of its most innovative features was its transformable body. Side panels would fold down into stages, complete with lighting and presentation setups. Aerodynamically, it embraced a streamlined form, though practicality often outweighed efficiency. The high-mounted driver's cockpit, accessed by a ladder, gave it a commanding presence. Altogether, the Futurliner blurred the line between vehicle and performance platform, redefining what a motorized machine could do. Originally, the Futurliner was powered by a gasoline inline-six engine typical of heavy-duty trucks in the late 1930s. While not particularly fast, it provided the torque needed to move the vehicle's enormous weight. During its operational life, many Futurliners underwent upgrades, including more powerful engines to improve reliability and performance during long tours. These changes allowed the vehicles to travel across the United States with fewer mechanical issues. Speed was never the priority. Consistency and endurance were. As technology advanced, some units received modernized components to keep them operational. These upgrades extended their lifespan and ensured they could continue their mission of education and inspiration well into the mid-20th century. Visually, the Futurliner was nothing short of spectacular. Its bold red and silver paint scheme, chrome accents, and sweeping curves reflected the Art Deco influence of the era. Constructed primarily from steel, the body was both durable and visually striking. The towering design made it stand out in any setting, while the large side panels concealed its true purpose. Inside, the vehicle was less about comfort and more about functionality. It housed exhibits ranging from scientific demonstrations to technological showcases. Lighting, display cases, and even sound systems were integrated into the interior. The Futurliner wasn't designed for passengers. It was designed for audiences, transforming into a stage that could captivate and educate crowds. The Futurliner played a central role in Parade of Progress, touring cities across the United States. Each stop turned into a spectacle, drawing thousands of visitors eager to glimpse the future. Operated by trained staff, the vehicles would arrive, unfold into stages, and host demonstrations on topics like electricity, aviation, and medicine. The Futurliner's design made it highly effective. It wasn't just transportation, it was an experience. Its imposing presence attracted attention, while its functionality delivered education. During its years of operation, it became a symbol of innovation, bridging the gap between complex technology and everyday people in an engaging, accessible way. After the Parade of Progress ended, many Futurliners were retired, and their fate varied. Some were scrapped, while others fell into disrepair. However, a few survived and were later rediscovered by collectors and historians who recognized their significance. Extensive restoration efforts brought several units back to life, preserving their original design and functionality. One of the most famous restored Futurliners was sold at auction for a record-breaking price, highlighting its cultural and historical value. Today, restored examples are displayed in museums and private collections where they continue to captivate audiences. These preserved vehicles serve as tangible reminders of a time when the future was something to be showcased and celebrated. The legacy of the Futurliner extends far beyond its original purpose. It demonstrated how vehicles could be more than just transportation. They could be platforms for storytelling and innovation. Its influence can be seen in modern mobile exhibits, promotional vehicles, and even concept cars that prioritize experience over practicality. The Futurliner also captured the spirit of mid-20th century optimism, a time when technology was seen as the key to a better future. By bringing complex ideas directly to the public, it helped shape public perception of science and progress. Today, it stands as a symbol of creativity and ambition, reminding us that imagination can drive engineering to extraordinary heights. The Futurliner wasn't just a vehicle, it was a vision on wheels. It proved that innovation isn't only about speed or efficiency, but about inspiring people to think differently. Decades later, its towering silhouette still sparks curiosity and wonder, reminding us of a time when the future felt limitless. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the most fascinating vehicles ever built, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What futuristic vehicle should we explore next?